你俩都不错。
商量要记功绩，要记鲁班。鲁班是汉人呀，不是苗族啊。当然，以苗族受汉文化的影响呢，他认为鲁班也是苗族，方也是苗族的师傅。鲁班也在东方，也要面向东方记鲁班。
After the ceremony, the owner sets the top rafter on 2 poles. Although many procedures still need to be completed until the house is finished, the Miao people consider the installation of the top rafter to be the birth of a new home. In the evening, friends of the family will offer gifts. They will also enjoy a special dinner with the owner and the workers. The first problem brought about by the high density of housing is that each household has only a small living space, hardly sufficient for daily living. To solve this problem, the Miao people developed multi-story houses. A Miao stilt house usually has 3 stories. Since houses are built on a slope, the mountain takes up a large proportion of the space on the first floor. It's usually reserved for cattle and pigs. The family lives on the second floor. This has good ventilation and plenty of light. Most of the family's domestic activities take place on this floor. The top story connects to the roof and is usually used to store farming tools and other items. The second problem is the danger of fire. Stilt houses are wooden and are so close to each other that sometimes their eaves touch. Once a fire starts, the consequences can be serious. There are signs warning of the dangers of fire, as well as fire prevention and firefighting facilities all over the village. Grain is the most crucial commodity in the village and has to be stored in an absolutely safe place. Song reveals that the Miao people have many fireproof granaries. The ingenious design reduces the fire risk and guarantees the safety of the villagers' food supply. This ingenious granary is built on water. This is Qinqiao Village, 40 kilometers from Shijiang Village. It's home to the largest group of water-standing granaries in the country. These granaries not only eliminate fire hazards, but also prevent insects and mice from gaining easy access to the grain. Although the living problems brought about by high-density living have been solved, people can still feel pressure in such limited living spaces. The designers of the houses have come up with a way to give people more space to communicate with each other and embrace nature. The middle floor of each house has an open balcony jutting out. People often chat and relax on these balconies. This is one of the most important features of stilt houses in Shijiang.
你们发现最好看是没人靠吗？一个房子最显眼的地方是二楼没人靠，没人靠它要安在哪些？安这个当道里面，老远看好看嘛。这个它坐在上面，跟下面的人要沟通的，它是个上下沟通的一个平台，所以那个平台它是个开放的平台。
The balcony allows the family to enjoy the scenery. At the same time, it extends the inside space to the outside. This opens up the limited space for communication with others and to feel close to